HPT multi-cylinder hydraulic cone crusher makes a breakthrough on its structure. After optimization, the structure improves the performance and crushing capability a lot. Meanwhile, the hydraulic lubrication system of HPT cone crusher not only ensures the stable operation but also makes the system control more intelligent. HPT cone crusher have 6 advantages. First, PLC integrated control system makes operation simpler. Second, upgraded structure, higher efficiency. Third, the principle of lamination crushing brings better discharging size. Fourth, multiple cavity types meet various production needs. Fifth, digitalized processing, higher precision. Sixth, sufficient supply of spare parts, worry-free operation. HPT cone crusher can deal with granite, diabase, basalt, pebble, limestone, dolomite, etc. How to maintain the HPT cone crusher daily. As one of the widely used crushing equipment, the maintenance and repair of cone crusher is also a concern of users. Regular maintenance can detect problems in advance, prevent problems before they occur, and at the same time, it is beneficial to prolong the service life of cone crushers. General maintenance is divided into minor repairs, medium repairs and major repairs. Minor repairs are generally carried out once every 2 weeks to a month. Check the wear of spherical bearing, tapered sleeve, eccentric sleeve, face bushing, bottom bearing, bevel gear, dustproof and sealing device and adjust their matching. Medium repair is usually conducted once every 4 to 6 months. Decomposing the motor, blowing dust and descaling and checking the bearing bush clearance of each part, decomposing the oil switch, cleaning and dealing with defect, checking and repairing the switchboard and other cables, etc. The overhaul depends on the situation, generally every 3-4 years. All the cone crushers are dismantled and inspected. The gear meshing clearance is adjusted, and the upper, middle and lower discs are checked or replaced.